Welcome to our ultimate steak guide. Today, we'll explore the most popular cuts of steak, and the best cooking methods for each. Let's get started. There are many different cuts of steak, each with its unique taste, texture, and cooking requirements. Here are 5 of the most popular cuts. 1. Tenderloin or filet mignon, known for its tender and lean meat. 2. Ribeye, a juicy and well-marbled cut, full of flavor. 3. Strip steak or New York strip, a tender and moderately marbled cut. 4. T-bone, combines the tenderloin and strip steak, separated by a T-shaped bone. 5. Porterhouse, a larger version of the T-bone, with more tenderloin. Now that you know the popular cuts, let's dive into the best cooking methods for each. Remember, the key to a perfect steak is to cook it to your desired level of doneness, ranging from rare to well done. For the tenderloin, pan-sear or grill, then finish in the oven. This cut benefits from a quick sear for a crust while keeping the inside tender. For the ribeye, grill or pan-sear with high heat to render the marbling and create a delicious crust. For the strip steak, grill or pan-sear, as it cooks evenly and develops a nice crust. For the T-bone, grill or pan-sear, then finish in the oven to cook both sides evenly. For the porterhouse, use the reverse sear method, starting in the oven and finishing with a sear to ensure even cooking. There you have it, the most popular cuts of steak, and the best ways to cook them. Experiment with these methods and cuts to find your personal favorite. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more cooking tips and tricks. Happy cooking, and enjoy your perfectly cooked steak.